Hi, I'm Azzy. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the square shadow boxes using the We Are Makers shadow box punch board. This frame I made into an easel so that it's just a standalone frame. I've put together a list of half-size square frames and what card sizes to use to make them, which I will share in the video. Made in the video, and the size of this is 5.5 square. This is an 8x8 square box frame that I've made, and that's the largest size that you can make from a 12x12 sheet of paper or card, and this one I've done with a swing door on the front. Both of these are cute little box frames. They're both 2x2 square, and for the pink one I've made a sleeve cover. Here I've got two frames. The larger one is 5 inches square and the one inside is 3 inches square, and it's just nice how they sit within each other and a different way to display some of our crafty items. I hope by making the frames as an easel or by placing them within each other has given you some ideas for using them within your project. Also, I hope the information for the half-size box frames has been useful. As always, thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.